Dear class 9th students, in today's video, I am approaching you with some exercises of reported speech or direct indirect, some statements, some commands and some requests, how these statements, commands and requests change into reported speech. The pronounal changes. The column number 1 pronouns are given. Column number 2 how it changes, and column number 3 some examples. The pronoun first person I, when it is converting into reported speech, it changes into either he or she, depends upon the sentence. Then first person plural we changes into they, and second person you change into I or we. Through examples, you can understand this in better way. One sentence, he said, I am your teacher. He said that he was our teacher. Here the I and we are given in red font so that you can identify the pronouns and its changes easily. Another sentence, they said we are your new neighbors. They said that they were our new neighbors. We become they, your become our. Then third sentence, she said, do you have a marker? She asked me, it's an interrogative sentence. Do you have a marker is an interrogative sentence. She asked me whether I had a marker. The you become I. Some more informations about the reported speech. Time and place, words and demonstratives. The word now changes into then in reported speech. Today become that day in reported speech. Yesterday become the previous day. Tomorrow become the next day. Tonight that night. Last night the previous night. Next week the following week. And ago became before. Through some more examples, you can understand it better. In the column number 1, tenses, according to the tense, and what are the changes taking place, that is given in the column 2. Simple present tense change into simple past tense. These are the rules. Present continuous tense sentences change into past continuous tense. Present perfect tense change into past perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense change into past perfect continuous tense. Simple past change into past perfect. Past continuous change into past perfect continuous. Past perfect tense has no change, and past perfect continuous tense also has no change. Then simple future tense change into will, change into would. In future continuous tense, the will be changes to would be. In future perfect tense, will have changes to would have. Future perfect continuous tense will have been changes to would have. Yes, with some examples you can understand well. First sentence, she said, I work in a bank. I work in a bank is in simple present. Changes to, she said that she worked in a bank. Simple present into simple past. She said, I am working in a bank. Present continuous tense. She said that she was working in a bank. She said, I have worked in a bank. Present perfect tense. She said that she hard worked. Hard worked past perfect. She said, I have been working in a bank since 2018. This is present perfect continuous tense. Changes into past perfect continuous tense. She said that she had been working in a bank since 2018. She said, I worked in a bank in 2018, past simple. She said that she had worked in a bank in 2018, past perfect. She said, I was working in a bank when I met him. I was working means past continuous. She said that she had been working in a bank when she met him. I met him became she met him. That is in past perfect continuous tense. She said, I had worked in this bank already. Past perfect tense. She said that she had worked in that bank already. These are the changes. Then some more sentences. The teacher said, I had been watching you. I had been watching past perfect continuous tense. The teacher said that she had been watching me. I become a me and I become she, you become me. She said, I will meet you on Monday. Simple future. She said that he will become would. Meet me on Monday. I become me. She said, I will be writing my English paper on next Friday. Future continuous tense. She said that she would be writing her English paper on the following Friday. Next Friday become following Friday will become would. He said, I will have finished 5 years in this office by 2021. He said that he would have finished will become would 5 years in that office. This office become that office by 2021. She said, I will have been living. Future continuous 10. She said that she would have been living in Paris for 15 years by this August. She said that she would have been living in Paris for 15 years that August. Some more sentences with the interrogative or questions. Interrogative or questions are in two types. Two types of interrogatives. WH questions. Example, what, where, when, who, how. Then yes or no questions starts with the helping verbs. Like be forms have forms, do forms, and models. In the case of WH questions, the conjunction that is a conjunction, connecting word, is replaced by same WH word. In case of yes or no questions, the conjunction that is replaced by either whether or if. Whether or if. In reporting verbs, asked, questioned, inquired or enquired, rest of the stages are as usual. With some examples you can understand in better way. She said to me, "Where do you live?" She asked me where I live. Then second question, the police officer said to him, "Where are you coming from?" The police officer inquired where he was coming from. Where are you coming from? Where he was coming from. The girl said to the shopkeeper, "Do you sell marker pens?" The girl asked, or the girl inquired the shopkeeper whether he sold marker pen. He said to the stranger, "Can I borrow your book?" He asked the stranger whether he could borrow his book. Dear friends, with this I am winding up this video. In the next video we will meet with another topic. Till then, thank you. Have a nice time.